Catherine Bernardo update. Summon Sunday sa July 27 na. Save the date. At nangunguna pa nga si Catherine sa top 25 most trended celebrities sa post ng iconic rankings. Congrats kay Catherine. Gabi si Catherine. Ito yung behind the scene ni Catherine for KFC Double Down. And commercial nga. Latest commercial. TV commercial ni Catherine. Ayan yung video. Sa post ng KFC. And before the cameras rolled, there were plenty of fun moments on set. Here's your exclusive backstage pass to the making of the KFC Double Down campaign. The world famous KFC Double Down is back. Grab your today. Yan o. Ayan siya nga ni Catherine sa kanyang endorsement na KFC. Matagal na rin endorser si Catherine ng KFC. Ang sarap niyan, double down. Ganda pa ng model. Don't forget, subscribe, click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard the Atrium Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.